Alright guys, it's been so fucking long since I made a video, it's unreal. Well, actually like, recorded, you know, haven't really touched the mopeds at all for like a week. But bit of a shitty day today, but still want to do some work, you know. So what I'm doing today is NRG. Let me just show you what's going on. Back wheel. Not sure if the black back wheel over there is going to fit or not. Have no idea at all. But the garage over there, just undid the nut for me. Legends, because you can see before I tried chiseling it off, didn't work. It was bare tight. I'll chisel it back on and I'll get it tight enough, and just to get it to a proper place to, you know what I mean, gun it up or something. I can do all that, but I don't know if these wheels are going to fit. If not, I can keep that wheel and just swap the tyres over like I did before with the front wheel for the Boation there. But hopefully that wheel should go straight on. We're going to find out together though. It's like, we're going to find out live together. Have the same reactions. You're going to see my live reaction whether it fits or not. First thing first, we've got to grab this and give it a good old fucking moped. Let me try and hold the phone in my mouth, see if you can see it if I hold it like that. But no, I don't want to come off top. Let me lay the moped right over, fuck it, it's not going to leak anywhere. It is, but I don't care. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm going to stop recording for a second, but yeah, one sec. I've literally just pulled it off. Fuck me, that's corroded and everything. And I haven't even walked away yet. That's why I'm standing so awkwardly. But yeah, let's put them over here together and compare them. Let me just tip this upside down and get that washer out. Washers out. I don't know. They're definitely similar, but I'm not sure. I'll try and count how many grooves there are really. Let me flip them over, see if I can count it a bit easier that way. I don't know, I think they're different. I think it is going to be a tyre job rather than a wheel job. The brakes are definitely the wrong size. You can see the one on the right has definitely got a bigger brake. That's the splines of that one. That's the splines of that one. Don't think it's going to fit. So I think it's going to be a case of swapping tyres, you know. Bit of a bummer, but I'll just try and fit it quick anyway for banter. Even if I have no rear brake, which is my only brake. As long as it, I don't know, to be honest, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm definitely going to clean these up post me though. There's plenty of meat left on them, but they're so squeaky and so corroded. And just clean them up a bit, you know. But yeah. Right. Let's get to action. Right, just to show you that there's not going on there. Not going to go. We're going to have to swap the tyres over. So for now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean the brakes up, put them away somewhere so they're not going to go corroded again. And then we're going to have to get these tyres swapped somewhere. Might have to wait till payday for that one though. I can't want to do it properly with this one. Don't want to break any rims as well because I need to save a bit of money right now. Might try and sell this rim afterwards, you know. Yeah, it's definitely the right tyre size. 130 70 12 it says there. Don't care about speed ratings, it's me. 130 70 12, and this one is a 130 60 13. Oh shit. No, there's the wrong size tyre as well. Oh no. I thought they were the same size tyre and everything. Looks like I need a new tyre then, boys. Fuming. Right, so need to buy a new tyre and then get it fitted to that rim. Fuming. What I might do is just cut that tyre off. Like, 350. Like actually just like get a hacksaw, cut through the rubber and everything until it gets to the bead. Just then a bit easier to rip the bead off like that after that. But bummer, it doesn't fit. Oh, fuming. Right. A few issues then, isn't it? But it'll be sorted in the end. It's like a speedo cable. I keep meaning to inspect the speedo cable, but at least now I know it's a fact and that I need a new one, I guess. Good to know, isn't it? Right. Yeah, lift all this back up, put the moped back where it was without a wheel. Yeah. Madness. I've just tidied up a bit. Put the moped back upright. Hashtag low life, you know what I mean? Fucking bare lowness. But gave that bit of a wire brush around up there and in there. I now know for future reference it's a bit easier to get the starter out from here. So if I take the bottom set stand bracket off, even though I don't have set stand, take it off, then I can get the starter out of both bolts piss easy with the wheel off. But yeah. Also I broke the connector off the automatic choke, so I should just press the wires in for now. But the connector's in there, I can just press it back in when I want. I just can't be bothered, to be honest. Also, for my own future reference, that's the engine connector and it's got 6 pins. But yeah, and this thing here needs some attention because it just lifts up, you know? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take the wheels to the garden, clean out the brake bit of that, clean off the actual brakes themselves. Black wheels are irrelevant now really, just a spare tyre for that one really. Maybe even spare whole wheel, not sure if it would fit or not. Probably would, to be fair. Probably Chinese. It came with that black bike, it didn't come with the blue one. But yeah, just going to take everything, put it away and start cleaning up the pads and the wheel, because then we're not going to have a squeaky brake anymore. It'll probably be really good because it's got plenty of meat left. Sick, see you in the garden. Right, I'm back in the garden. We've had a bit of a tidy up out there, so as you can see, a lot more available space at the back to like grow up on stuff, because the bags just come out to level with that fucking barrel thing and like where that back wheel is, but now they're all tucked in, you know. How dirty my hands are. Ugh. But yeah, black wheel useless, so we can fuck that off. I can go over here like that. This one we need the wheel, not the tyre, but in case you didn't actually know what was wrong with it, it's got mad puncture, so it doesn't hold air anymore, and it's through on cords everywhere around the whole tyre basically. Yeah, someone's basically done some fat burnouts, long story short. Thanks to the gents over the road at the garage though for helping me out. This is the end of today's video really. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside and just do some googling the tyre sizes. I've got a brand new spark plug for that moped, but you know what, I can't actually be bothered to fit it today, because not only is it a shitty day, it's clearing up now. You can see it's not raining anymore, but as you can tell from how wet it is outside, it was. Do you know what I mean? Like, but yeah, I'm just gonna go inside and chill out for today. Actually, I've got all these bolts and shit in my pocket I need to put away somewhere. These, I'm just gonna, they're in there now, okay? So yeah, what I'm going to put in there is all the stuff from my pocket, which is, sorry, train went past, which is all the back wheel. I'm going to clean these up as well, but I'm not going to record that. I'm going to put them in there just for a second. Putting all the exhaust bolts and the wheel bolts and washers and all that. I'm going to put them all in there so I don't lose them. And they're all held together, drop the spacer. Big bolt, big washer for the wheel, spacer, that's me, tools, I can go in there. And fucking exhaust bolts, another bit of tools, exhaust bolts, nut, yeah, fucking thing. Also going to polish the wheel up when I change the tyre, completely polish it, make it look quite nice. Going to polish the engine casing as well, make the whole thing fucking nice. And yeah, because I've got the fucking cutting compound in there and shit like that, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to take these with me and see you guys in the next video. Peace.